Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Detailed Recipes channel. You will have a healthy dessert that you can consume for breakfast in the morning and the atomic energy that will make you vigorous. Tahini. Dates left over from Ramadan. Original cow's milk cream. Roasted sesame and raw sesame. Walnut. Organic honey, filtered honey. Now I'm preparing a space where I can work. I take out the date pits. Using 10 dates will be enough. I chop the dates finely like this. I chop the dates a little thinner. I crush the walnuts by pressing them and grind them correctly with a knife. Now I will add the ingredients I prepared into the bowl. I add tahini to a large bowl. I add filtered honey. Very delicious and healthy. I add sesame seeds. Now I add dates and walnuts. This is the original milk cream. This is the layer that forms on the milk after boiling it. It is used to make cream and butter. It is very healthy and we consume it this way. Let's mix the ingredients first before adding the cream. Now let's add the cream. We add it in a milky way, if necessary. I will add milk to thicken the consistency a little more. It may harden after waiting overnight, in which case I will add milk and mix again. It's great. Now I'm showing it to you and I'm going to taste it. Unsweetened tea will be great with it. This taste is perfect for me, satisfying, delicious, healthy. Organic, natural, traditional, easy, simple, a legendary taste. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.